I'm in a 2014 Chevy Sonic, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone to Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and make sure your display is turned on from the home menu here. If you've previously connected, this telephone button should start the process to try to connect your phone. We haven't yet, so we'll go to settings, and then we'll do connection settings, and then Bluetooth settings. Oh, I misclicked. Bluetooth settings. And then there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete one before you can add a new one. But we'll try pair device. And then here, if you've previously connected, you can do it here. And if you need to delete a device, you can just delete one to make some space. So we'll do the search Bluetooth. Now make sure your phone, you've got Bluetooth on, which this is. And often if you hold that, it'll take you to a pairing menu, depending on your device. So now we're going to look for, I believe it'll say My Link, something like that. Might take a few minutes. So it looks like it found the phone here, so we just gotta wait for it to show on this end. But we can select that. Try clicking it again. There we go. Now it's popping up on this end. And this is My Link there. These random numbers, they do match with what the display says. So I just confirm on both ends. And now we should be connected. It's good on my phone's end. And then it'll say on this end that we've connected successfully. And you can also try to make this the favorite, so it'll auto connect whenever you start the car. But now that it's connected, you should be able to take phone calls, listen to music. Sometimes newer models, you can also sync up maps and things like that. And then, yeah, through your audio, you should be able to click through to your Bluetooth here. So if you're having issues with that, just make sure your source is to Bluetooth and make sure that your volume is turned on so you can hear it, and then also make sure you're playing some sort of music from your device. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.